Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Halloween is big business in the United States. U.S. merchants often boast about increased sales in decorative ornaments and costumes as consumers prepare to go trick-or-treating on All Hallows Eve, October 31. But is there a place for Halloween in Jamaica? One local farmer is determined to find out, as TVJ's Andrew Lately reports.
Alonzo Bernard is a Halloween pumpkin farmer based in the Spot Valley district, Rosal, Montego Bay. He's hoping to sell all these pumpkins before October 31 because after that, he'll have no use for them. His primary market, hoteliers and a few consumers who celebrate Halloween. But is there a market for Halloween pumpkins in Jamaica?
There's nothing special about Halloween, to be honest. It's like any other celebration. As I said, my main focus is import substitute. And if it's something that is being imported and it can be produced here, why not try it?
The farmer told the Business Day that he has already secured one buyer for a portion of his 2019 crop, an accomplishment he hopes to replicate annually.
I sold some last year to the same resort that I'm selling to this year. And this last year was by default, because what really happened is that they ordered from one of their purveyors and he fell short with his delivery. So they called me in and I delivered. And for that reason, they're buying from me again this year. So I would assume that for them to be reordering, the quality was on par.
But one buyer is not enough. Recognizing that fact, Mr. Bernard admitted the Halloween pumpkin business is not for everyone.
The truth is, I would not recommend anyone to go out there and plant Halloween pumpkin. It's not a sustainable mean of income. I mean, it's used once for the year. And the thing about it is that if you overproduce, it's not like you can take it to a Coronation or a Charles Garden market and offload the excess.
The Halloween pumpkin farmer told our news team that he's hoping the Linkages Council will be able to help him find a space for his unique business in Jamaica. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
In currency trading today, the Jamaican dollar lost value against the greenback. Now the Jamaican dollar surged to a historic low, with $1 now being sold for $139.29. The dollar also lost value against the Canadian currency, now selling for $109.63. The pound sterling closed at $178.17, while the euro is going for $156.51. The JC index lost 200 points today, while the junior market index is down 30 points. Among the winners were Paramount Trading, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Siboney Group, Signos Credit Investments, USD Shares, and Key Insurance. On the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, CAC 2000, 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cream, and Proven Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.